Welcome to PHOTONewsTV. I'm Will Prentice, brand specialist for lighting products at Amplis. Today we're going to look at how to use Cactus V6 with other Cactus gear and some of the more advanced features of the V6 so everything works together perfectly. In previous videos I've shown you how to control your flashes and how to trigger your camera with Cactus V6. I've also shown how the V6 works with the Cactus RF60 because the RF60 features a built-in V6 transceiver. Now, in addition to the power control, I can also control the zoom of my RF60 flash head right from the V6. Let's press Menu, scroll to Submenu, press OK, scroll through to Swap Control, press OK, and we want to change this from Quick Power Adjust to Zoom Cactus. And we'll press OK, Menu, and we're back out of it. Normally when I press the click wheel, I can adjust power in full stop increments. Now though, with RF60 flashes, when I press the click wheel, I can scroll through and now it's adjusting the zoom of the zoom head up to 105 millimeter. The zoom control is also group specific, so I can turn off certain groups if I don't want them to zoom. I can also press and hold group B and zoom that one down. By adjusting the zoom of just one group, I'm affecting the pattern of light coming out of just that one flash. And you could hear the zoom head moving in and out as I rotate the dial. You can also maintain ratios using this function, and to get back out of it and return to power control, I press the click wheel and now I can dial my power up and down as well as independently depending on my requirements. Cactus V6s will work with the Cactus V5 wireless flash transceiver as well as the LV5 laser trigger, albeit without group control. As long as they're on the same channel, I can trigger any connected V5 or LV5 as they share the same 2.4 GHz 16-channel platform. Since the V5 system doesn't support groups, any connected V5 or LV5 will trigger any V6 no matter what groups are selected on the V6 as well. And there are a few places where I like to use this setup, specifically combined with my studio strobes. Connected to my Metz BL200 studio kit, I have a V5 on each, as well as an RF60 hair light and an RF60 accent light using the Cactus flash bracket, which has a Bowens S mount to hold my Metz background reflector. I also set each RF60 to a different group so I can adjust their power separately as needed. So if I needed to turn down my hair light or increase the intensity of the backlight, I can make those changes right from my camera using the Cactus V6. Another great use of Cactus technology is for high-speed photography. I captured this image of a fruit splashdown using the LV5 laser trigger with a Cactus V6 to activate the camera and to trigger RF60 flashes in low power mode. I also used the delay mode in V6 to ensure the shutter was open before the flash is fired. Trigger delay can be set between 1 millisecond and 10 seconds, and delay can be set on each V6 independently, plus the LV5 has its own delay timer. With enough cameras, you could easily create your own matrix-style bullet time effect using Cactus V6s by setting separate delay times on each one. You'd also need a lot of cameras. Delay can also be set in TX or RX mode. If I want the same delay for all connected devices, I'll set the delay on my TX device. If I want different delays, I'll set it on my RX devices. So here's a quick view of my setup to get the fruit shot. I've got a piece of lemon, a wine glass, piece of lime that I was playing around with. So I set a transmit delay on the LV5 receiver of 2 milliseconds and had my camera in bulb exposure, so the camera wasn't exposing, the flashes were in low power mode. I've got one RF60 on this side pointing behind the wine glass. I've got one on the other side pointing at the background. Then I have the Metz 64 in a Metz softbox providing the main light and really freezing the action on those water drops. So here's a couple of shots of the results of that. Oh, and don't forget, Water drop photography, lots and lots of towels. Stay tuned for future episodes where I'll introduce you to other members of the Amplis team and many more exciting products from Canada's premier distributor of photographic and outdoor equipment. Thanks for watching PHOTONewsTV, brought to you by Amplis. Don't forget to click the subscribe link to stay on top of product news and information, announcements and training from your favorite brands of photography gear.